song is ready to rock all day long. Yeah, you better move along when you hear Robin's song. I'm DJ Red, you might recognize me, the Robin Redbreast. I'm famous, you see, on Christmas cards surrounded by snow. But I'm here all year, don't you know? Spot me in a bush, on a tree or a wall. I weigh as much as 7 ping pong balls. First up in the morning, last one to sleep. Watching for food, I never miss a beat. I eat worms, seeds, whatever fruit I find, and I use my song to say, hey, that's mine. Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Yeah, you better move along when you hear Robin's song.
The Eurasian robin is a perching bird.
I got my favorite branch. You feel me? Word. See, your garden's my patch, and I don't like to share. Other birds, well, they best beware. A female robin looks just like me. I'm so handsome, and so is she. Brown and gray with a bright red breast, large black eyes to spot insects. Other birds love when I sing out loud, 'cause I let them know when danger's around. I go high as I can to the top of the tree, and I sing out my warning. Y'all, can you hear me? Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Yeah, you better move along when you hear Robin's song. Everybody listen to Robin's song. He's ready to rock all day long. Move it along now, move it along. It's time to go. This is the Robin song.